Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu reports, when Hazrat Saad bin Ubadah fell ill, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to inquire after his health, along with Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf, Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas, and Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhum. When he entered the house, he finding him encircled by the family, said, "Did he pass away?" The people said, "No, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam started weeping. When the people saw the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam weeping, they also began to weep. He said, "Have not you heard that undoubtedly Allah Jalla Jalaluhu does not punish for the tears of an eye or a gloom of a heart, but He Jalla Jalaluhu punishes for this and pointed to the tongue, or He Jalla Jalaluhu shows compassion. And verily the dead is tormented because of his family's weeping over him." And Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu would beat with his staff, throw stones and put dust in the mouth. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1304.